Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. This is how we did today trading the SPY. We took two trades, one in the AM session, one in the PM session, both winners. Both also very close to getting stopped out. However, we held with confidence in our model and our system, and we prevailed. So let me go over both of these trades real quick and why I took them to begin with and my analysis on them. First things first, we check for news. We have unemployment claims at 8:30. That's pre-market. I don't really care too much about that since that happens in the London session, and I trade New York AM and PM. Anyways, I'm actively looking at the charts at 9:50, 10 a.m. Eastern. So once it's around that time, I go on the higher time frames and look at the obvious draws of liquidity. We have the most recent Asian all-time highs. Excuse me, we had the most recent all-time highs created in the Asian session here. So I use that draw of liquidity as a buy side. Marked out the London low and left that there for the sell side. I want to see one of these levels get hit before getting this reaction. Looks a little better on the 5-minute. Actually, I did play out on the 5-minute, so I'm gonna stay on the 5-minute for this trade. Anyways, price comes up. It takes out the buy side prior to time. So I'm watching this and I'm looking to see if it reacts to the buy side liquidity, and we get the reaction here that we wanted, which is this huge displacement showing big monies in the market, breaking structure to the excuse me, breaking the structure to the downside, leaving behind an inefficiency here. And even though there's wicks going through this, it's still, the inefficiency is still valid. ICT himself said that wicks are still gaps, so I played that with that in mind. I waited for time, 9:50, 10 a.m. Let's see, 10:08. I entered out once price retraced into this inefficiency. The consequent encroachment of this 5-minute PD array from earlier, targeting the AM low as well as that London low from earlier. And as you can see, I closed my position at the AM low here. It was already late at this point, 11. I don't really like to hold my trades past 11, so didn't want to be too greedy, took my money and ran. But let's say you did hold all the way to lunch, which I probably never would. TP hit that London low, took that out, target hit. But yeah, I took my money and ran there, waited for the PM session. Here's PM session. I marked out the lunch high here, lunch low. Want to see when these levels get hit before giving us a reaction. We wait for time eligibility, which is 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock to 1:30. Price comes up, takes out the lunch high here, and gives us a reaction that we wanted, which is this 3-candle displacement right here, leaving behind its inefficiency. I marked out that inefficiency and I waited patiently for price to retrace to that consequent encroachment. All that means is fancy for equilibrium, which is another fancy word for halfway point. But I thought I was going to miss the move here. Looked like it was going to take off without me. But as you can see, patience is a virtue. I kept my stop. Oh, I forgot to mention for the AM trade, I kept my stop at the top end of the 5-minute candle that created the fair value gap there. You can see how close that was to getting stopped out. It was pretty scary. So was this one. Because once I entered, it looked like it was going straight for the stop loss. However, as you can see, it played out in our favor later. I had the lunch low here, marked out as a sell side as the next target, and that TP got smashed. However, I took my profits here at this 5-minute low. I believe it was a 5-minute low. Yeah. But yeah, took my money around there. Beautiful price delivery day. I did a lot of yapping today. I hope I didn't go over the 5 minutes. But yeah, I'm going to end this off here. I hope you guys had a good trade today. If not, there's always another opportunity tomorrow. It's like a game of chess, you know. You can't redo a mistake, but you can make your next one better. Stay safe out there. Good luck at trading.